Hello everyone. Let us continue with question number 28 with me, Dr. Suhana Datta. Hope you are getting idea of how to solve the questions and how to deal with the questions and their options. Okay, so how to choose the correct option and how to critically you have to how to analyze the options which are incorrect. Okay, so the analysis is very important. So in question 29 is also an analytical questions, like in bacteria the sigma factor that plays a major role in transcription during the stationary phase is sigma 70, sigma 54, sigma 28 and sigma 32. So if you also have to remember that the function of each sigma factor and their use in the steps of in the eukaryotic transcription, because it is a complex process, it is a huge process, there are so many factors are working together. So you have to remember each and every. So biology is something you need to it need memorization along with understanding. Okay, and there are certain questions which need the analysis and the application. So all the factors are there. So here let us see which options will be correct. So here on the screen we can see all the options are explained. I have explained all the options in a diagrammatic way. Okay, so first see the option is sigma 70. So it is saying that it is not the correct option, as the question is you have to know the role during the stationary phase in the bacteria. So the stationary phase of the growth. Okay, so the sigma 70 is the primary sigma factor that used during the exponential phase. So if you see the growth curve of the bacteria, okay, so with it is the number of cells or the growth, if it is with time, and if it is the growth time, so then will be, so this is the lag phase, then it will go to the exponential phase, then it will reach a static phase which you call as the stationary phase. So this is the growth curve. Okay, so this is the number of cells growing along with the time. Okay, so time can be 0 to 24 hours. Okay, so like this. So in case of sigma 70, they help. So sigma 70s, they are working in this stationary phase, and there is sigma 24, they responds to the stress and it is not the stationary phase. Okay, so they during the when it is under stressed condition, they are not the growing phase. So after the stationary phase, so when they are getting declined like this, so after stationary phase, if there are deprivation of nutrients, deprivation of nutrients or lack of nutrients, then the curve will go down. So the sigma 24, they will act here. Then it is sigma 38. Sigma 38 is also incorrect because it is induced during same thing, the stress condition, or when there will be in oxidative stress or accumulation of oxygen, reactive oxygen species. So only this option C, that is sigma 28, which is also known as this RPO, is specifically induced in stationary phase. So at that phase, so this is the stationary phase. So this point is the stationary phase. So here this sigma, they are acting as 28. So sigma 20 is acting in this phase and under nutrient limitation. So it activates a wide range of gene for survival, and it is the major regulator for transcription during stationary phase. Okay, so that will continue the transcription process. And you know, this sigma factors are very it is associated with the RNA polymerase. So after the binding of this sigma factor, then only can this RNA polymerase can move upon the mRNA strand. Okay, the template strand of the mRNA, the template strand, so the mRNA strand will be synthesized when the RNA polymerase is bind with this sigma factor. So there are types of sigma factor, but they have different function. But here option C, sigma 28, is helps in the transcription during the stationary phase of the bacterial growth curve. Okay, so and other options, as I have already explained, they are incorrect. Now let us continue with the question 29. That question is from some for animal reproduction. That is, a rise in cytosolic calcium ion concentration just after fertilization in a sea urchin egg leads to option formation of fertilization envelope, acrosomal reaction, option C formation of vegetal pole, and option D formation of animal pole. So now first let us have to see what is the role of calcium in the fertilization process. So here on the screen you can see all the options explained, so which one is correct and other are incorrect. So option A is correct. Why? Now let us see why. Because it is the calcium ion will be triggered when there will be, so just after fertilization. So just after fertilization, as the just after the sperm enters the sea urchin egg, there is a rapid increase in the cytosolic concentration, calcium ion concentration. So this calcium ion, they spikes the trigger of exocytosis of cortical granules, which modifies this fertilization envelope, and it will help into the fertilization envelope formation. Okay, so the calcium ion will trigger this fertilization envelope formation. So the acrosomal reaction, so it is incorrect, as we know that acrosomal reaction occurs before fertilization. So when the sperm comes into the contact with the ovum, so it penetrates the jelly coat, that is the zona pellucida layer and the vitelline layer. So but it is not caused by the calcium. So the enzymes hyaluronidase are present into this acrosomal reaction, which helps into the dissolution of the vitelline membrane or the acrosomal membrane or the zona pellucida membrane of the ovum. So this is not related to calcium ion concentration. Next is formation of vegetal pole is determined by the polarity of the ovum or the egg and the cortical rotation long before fertilization. So that is something, even the sperms are not present, that is some related to the structure of the ovum when it is during the formation of the ovum. Okay, so it is not thing related to fertilization process. And the formation of animal pole, so similarly as the vegetal pole, as the each ovum has one animal pole and another is the vegetal pole. So it is not for calcium related, not anything calcium related. So we will say that option A here, so formation of fertilization envelope, is the correct option and other options are incorrect. Okay.